Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the All-Clad Essentials Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. This versatile set includes 8.5 and 10.5-inch fry pans, perfect for everyday cooking with their flat bases and flared sides that make flipping and tossing a breeze. Crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum, these pans deliver consistent, delicious results while the high-quality nonstick surface ensures easy food release and healthier cooking with less fat. Designed with practicality in mind, the pans feature a nested design for easy storage, double-riveted stainless steel handles for a secure grip, and capacity markings for quick size identification. These pans are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while the included glass lids can withstand up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for a variety of cooking methods. Although they are compatible with any stovetop except induction, it's recommended to hand wash them to preserve their nonstick quality over time. Proudly designed in Canonsburg, PA, and made in China, this set comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring you enjoy delicious meals for years to come. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.